All right, welcome back everybody. Today I'm just going to do a quick, simple video here, how to install a grapple onto the power bucket. This video is primarily for anybody that's thinking about getting a grapple, for the ease of putting it on and off, installing it. I'm going to go ahead and show you. I was moving some dirt and stuff with the power bucket, and I'm getting ready to go move some rocks, and then next week cut down some trees, so I want the grapple. Sometimes the grapple will get in the way on a few things you do, but it's pretty easy to put on and off, and I'll go ahead and show you. Ideally with two people, like a lot of things, it just works better if you have someone help you do it, but it's really not hard to do it yourself, and you can do this in less than 10 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and show you putting on the teeth also. These are an option. You don't necessarily need the teeth to operate the grapple, but I like to always have them on there, especially for picking up trees and stuff. Tools required to do this is simple. You just need a 9/16 and a 3/4. Ratchet works real well. You can use a wrench, but I found sockets work best. So let me go ahead, show you the teeth first, and then we'll throw this grapple on. All right, for installing the teeth, it's real simple. Power bucket's already pre-drilled. These slide right over the existing holes that are there. When you put the bolts in, you always want the bolt to go in from the bottom, and it'll go in through the top. And you just put the nut on there, and then you can tighten it up with a ratchet. Pretty simple. It only takes a minute to put these on. I'm going to go ahead and finish throwing the rest of these on, and then we'll get to the grapple. All right, after having the teeth installed, if you don't have teeth or your teeth are already on the bucket, you can skip that step. But before you install the grapple, I like to get on the tractor, put the bucket all the way in float, let it touch the ground, and then adjust the bucket to where you can get it as flat as you possibly can. It just makes installing the grapple much easier. All right, so after I have the bucket level, I take all the bolts out of the grapple, and I usually just leave them in just so I don't lose them when I'm done. I put 2 bolts on each side of the bucket. This slides pretty easy on concrete, and I'll go ahead and show you. All right, once you get your 4 bolts in, it's as easy as that. You just go ahead and tighten them up. All right, so once you got your 4 bolts all tightened up, I just take my hoses, keep them run through here just to keep them out of the way. Wrap these around, and on the end here, there's a bracket. This bracket fits right over here. Bring the camera down closer. There's a bracket that already comes on the power bucket. You insert it on there. You put your pin. Your hoses are locked in place. You can go ahead and run your auxiliary hoses for your grapple into your auxiliary outlets, and there you go. One trick I will tell you guys with this, whenever you go to park the power bucket to remove the grapple, I always close the grapple completely. So you make sure all the way down. And it just makes it to where when you go to install this, it rests on here easier. Otherwise, if this was raised up and you try to do it, it'd get tipsy and it's harder to get them bolt holes to line up. But as long as you close it like that when you're done, quite simple. Like I said, under 10 minutes, you can have it on and off. For a lot of applications, you can leave it on, but certain things you take it off. Hope this video helped some of you. If you want any more how-to videos or anything like this, please put it in the comment below and I'll try to make them for you. Thanks for watching.